playing for a while, and you guys are looking at each other. You want to go? You want to go? You want to go? You want to go? And a couple people go, then everybody go. That was awesome. All right, come back. There's a dance off. Oh, y'all come back. We got to do a dance off. Excuse me. As the coconut weaving is getting completed, we're going to go ahead and get the judges back. We're going to begin the couples competition. We're getting going here. Thank y'all for hanging out all weekend. Yesterday was a pretty awesome day. We had 125 solo finalists, and we got done before 8:30 p.m. How about that? That was good. Intermission, so we're going to go ahead and get the couples ready for this game. So if there are drummers for the couples, make sure you be on standby. We're going to be starting shortly. Magic, right? So I lost my phone. Then he lifts up paper. There it is. Quick.
We're almost done with the weaving, you guys. Isn't that cool that we can do that here in California? Yeah. Yeah, where else are you going to get that? I never saw that any place in California, did you? No. That's part of your culture, is weaving and making costume, right? Yeah, so that's part of the things that you guys need to learn. But it's fun. Everybody having a good time? Yeah? Are you happy we didn't put $5 more on the door? Yeah? It's because enough of you came, and we're so thankful that we didn't need that $5, that extra $5. We could pay our bills. So thank you so much, because everything went up so high. So we're happy that you're all here and so thankful. And we're just waiting for just another minute, and we're going to get started with the couples.
A lot of groups came out to participate this year. Let's do a little bit of roll call. At least whoever's written here on this program. Anybody here from Ehono ETA? Yeah? Ehono ETA? Kavali Hua, Hula Olahana. Kavali Hua. Anybody here yet? All right. Tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Kiaka or Polynesia? Hello, Makana. I know these folks are here. Hiva Katoa. Yep, there's still 2 of them left. And I know these guys are here because they were our drumming champions. Lokalani's Rhythm of the Islands from Costa Mesa. And I know these guys are here. Makamai, Malio, Polynesia. Manuia, Polynesian Review. Anybody here from Marama Hina? Maybe yesterday, not today, huh? Matahani. From my area there, Concord, Pittsburgh, Martinez, we're all 925 area code, Contra Costa County. Anybody here from Merahi, Otehani? My goodness. Nobody came on Sunday, man. Are we the only ones here, Norm? Yeah. So.
No, they're all shopping.
Yeah. Namaka. Anybody here from Namaka? Not today either, huh? Notehere, Otehiroa. Ohina Aronui. There he is. That's all you need to know. He's here. Otahi Marama. There it is. Hi. All right. Our judges are still wrapping up the basket weaving, so we'll go the weaving over there. So I don't know, these guys are here. Otea Api. And I know these guys are here because I was watching this person play the Tari Parao, and I was afraid to be one of her kids if I got my butt whooped. Rahiti is in the house, right? That's why her children are so behaved, man, because you watch the way she beats that Tari Parao. Ain't nobody running away. Tererai Inia Tahitian Cultural Center. All right. Thank you for the chihu. From Stockton, California, Tamari, Maitairea. Te Ahu Nui. All right. Maybe yesterday. Te Ihi o Te Ara Nui. All right. Still here. I woke you up. Thank you. Te Orama, Westlake School of Dance. All right. Te Orimana. Te Pura o Te Rahuraa. I love the chihu. I'm here. All right, man. Te Rahiti Nui. I know these guys with the black t-shirts. They like peaches over there. Te Reva o Te Manu. About Te Vai Ura Nui. Te Vaka Nui. Tiare Hinano. Toerau Manurahi. Tupua. Ura Haunui. Vai Puna no Tehere. Evaruatea. All right, thank you guys. Even if you didn't answer, thank you for being here. All right, so Auntie's wrapping it up over there. Sorry, I got distracted. This other group was here said, "Hoy, you know where they're from? Where are they from? From Daly City. Hui Tarava. Where Goldilocks is at.
I remember the old one on Galan Boulevard.
Oh yeah, dude, man, that's what we grew up.
There used to be a Lucky's in there.
QFI.
QFI, Rickman Pizza.
All right, judges, welcome back. Thank you, Auntie, for doing the weave. I was hoping you're gonna make me a hippie, but I know there's not enough coconuts here. So let's bring out our first couple. You guys ready? Coming down from the group, Tereva Otemanu. Let's welcome couple number 332. Ladies and gentlemen, couple number 332. Maururu. Our next group had a theme they want me to read, but they're coming in from the group No Te Here, O Te Hiroa. Let's welcome couple number 287. Our theme today is Te Nave Nave O Te Here, the pleasure of love. Let us dance joyfully and with one voice, let's glorify the gods. Let's praise our country's legendary name and its summits. Where the sun rises and where the gods stand, let's chant the riddle that arouse our sense of belonging. The intoxicating voice of the mountains will lavish your love. May Tahiti in its wealth be a heritage for the generations. Let it live and let it last forever. Maururu Roa. Ladies and gentlemen, couple number 287. Oh, okay, that was my next question. Who's supposed to pick that up, man? Sheesh. Thank God they brought assistants, man. You know, I'm tired, man. I ain't getting up. Just kidding. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you ready for more? We have one more group from Otea Api. Let's welcome group number 289.
Marania
All right. Okay. Okay. Number 289 from Otea'api. I wonder who's the dad over there.
All right, friends, and because this is a couples in costume competition, we are going to bring them back out for the judges to take a closer look at their costumes. So please welcome back to the stage, representing Te Revo Te Manu, couple number 332, Madeline and Joe. Representing No Te Here o Te Hiroa, couple number 287, Ariana and Kolei. And back on stage, number 289, representing Otea'api, Kylie and Nolan.
I thought he was going to walk out still carrying her.
All right, friends, if we could just give a little spin so the judges can see the backs as well. Beautiful. Once more to the front. And for the 42nd annual Kiki Raina Tahiti Fete Couples in Costume Competition, these are your three competitors from Otea'api, No Te Here o Te Hiroa, and Te Revo Te Manu. And just for fun, if the drummers would dance them out for one quick tamure.
Maruru. One more round of applause for our couples contestants. Maruru, you may exit. Wonderful. I saw him, whoever the dad is, I saw him. He was trying to convince her to carry her again at the end, man. But you know, we might have, I saw a butt slide over here. There's going to be grease right here.
Yeah.
Somebody did a skid mark.
Yeah, someday somebody's going to break a nail or an ankle or something. What happens is our beautiful soloists want to get all shiny and glistened up. And then they come out here and they're like,
Yeah.
And then the next girl comes out here, she's like, whoa. Yeah. I know this personally because one year, several years ago, I walked out and split my pants on stage. Nobody really saw, but I did confess to it later. So for the future, if you have soloists coming out and they want to get all shiny and greasy, tell them maybe don't roll around on the floor. It's just safety's sake.
That's why I don't compete. Yeah, if I get greasy and oiled up, I'm going to look like Krispy Kreme, man. I can't do it.
And we'll all split our pants. Coming up next, though, we have some guest performers. They're called Hula Dance Basim, and they actually share a studio with Auntie Becky. I think they rent out one of her spaces. Just like many of us who have our own groups or belong to different groups, we kind of share our space with a lot of people. Like some people rent out to like a Kung Fu studio or another type of dance. This is one that kind of overlaps. It's a Venn diagram right here in Merced. And they're going to grace us with a performance. So welcome to the stage, ladies and gentlemen, Belly Dance Basim, Homegrown Merced.
Basim. Oh my goodness.
From right here in Merced.
Yes.
They didn't have to travel too far.
Right.
So, folks, you might have noticed that, especially yesterday, we were running pretty decently on time, right? Can we get a big round of applause for getting out of here before midnight? And the reason that happened, the one reason, well, actually, there is no one reason. Although Auntie Becky is the source for all of this glorious Fete. She does not do it on her own. She has a huge team of support, her own people, plus volunteers who come from all over the country, sometimes flying across state lines and across oceans. And it really rests on everybody's shoulders. It's our judges getting to the table on time. It's our score tabulators in back getting all their math straight away. It's the people who you never see who are behind these curtains lining up and running out there to grab dancers and making sure they're where they're at. It's our drummers being where they're supposed to be and ready. It's our MCs and our sound and our tech. And then you people also out in the stands just being here and getting ready. So we thank you all for that, because it's not just one piece, it's everybody working together and respecting each other's time. That being said, a great deal of the work does fall on the people who live here and work here and call Merced their home. Those people belong to the group Te Mau Ta'ata Nuanua. They have been hosting us for the past 42 plus years. Welcome to the stage, the women of Te Mau Ta'ata Nuanua under the responsibility of Auntie Becky Menandic. Te Mau Ta'ata Nuanua from right here in Merced.
Man, beautiful.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are actually on schedule again.
Yeah.
At this time, I want to encourage you all to head over to the vendors. This might be your last chance to get something. It might be your greatest chance to get something on sale. I just bought something that was marked down by from $900 to $600, so I highly recommend you go out and you patron all of our vendors out there. Find your friends, find that person you've been eyeing all weekend and say hi, because you might not see them again until the next Fete. We're going to take a little break. We are going to set up, and the moment that so many of us have been waiting for is right around the corner. We are going to be doing our award ceremony.
All right, y'all, we'll see you back in a few. Maururu.
Or what? Test 1, 2. Yeah. Anybody want to play ukulele in a little bit? Come back over here right before awards. Come help Auntie. Auntie's not so good a player. Ha ha ha. Yes.
Also, as with our unofficial tradition, for you drummers who are interested in drumming during the award ceremony, our little circle of drums, feel free to come on up. Just make sure you leave an open space, make a U around. You're invited to participate and drum during the award ceremony.
MCs.
We felt left out.
That's what I said.
Man, I gotta stand over here now.
Excuse me, huh? Wow. All right, let's get it going. We're ready for awards. Let's get our judges to their seats right here next to the trophies.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get started. But before we move on, how about one more round of applause for our judges, ladies and gentlemen. Charles Timanaha, Lucy Ponoi Moana, Okoletua Tauri, to Catherine Tini Bahia. And a big thank you to our judge here. Once again, Tom Miratiragi. My apologies. All right. Now, before we start our award ceremony, we, of course, we do have our prizes for our third, second, and first place for our beginners. However, due to supply chain issues and actually it's because of the storms, and there was a delay in the UPS shipment of trophies. However, you will still get your envelope with your prize in there. Your trophy will be personally delivered by Auntie Becky herself if you did not get it. She will hand deliver it to you, all right? So we apologize for that, and we thank you for your patience and your understanding as we get the award ceremony started.
Where's the trophy on? Was it on Philippine Airlines cargo? That's why it's still late.
It's from LBC.
It didn't pass customs in Hawaii.
Call LBC first, because LBC's last.
Okay. You guys ready? Some of you will get a trophy and an envelope. Most of you will get an envelope and a special delivery from Auntie Becky. All right? Or you can just leave me the envelope and I'll still deliver you your trophy. Your choice.
Thanks, John. Okay. All right. All right, let's start off, without further ado, with our beginner, Tamari, 4 through 6. Damn peaches. All right, beginning, Tamari, 4 through 6, in third place. Congratulations to the dancer from Tahiti, Mohea, Rarahu, Tauhere, Del Rosario. In second place from the group, Notehere Otehiroa, Olivia Bear, dancer number 216. Man, you girls make me nervous when you run down the steps like that. Be careful, please. And in first place, 4 through 6, Tamari beginner. Congratulations to dancer number 118, Kalani de los Santos from Notehere Otehiroa. Congratulations to our 4 through 6 beginner, Tamari. All right, since we didn't have any soloists, unfortunately, in the 4 through 6 beginning Tamaroa, and also 4 through 6 advanced and Tamari and Tamaroa, we'll now jump to beginner Tamari 7 through 9. Beginner Tamari 7 through 9. In third place, representing the group, Te Rahiti Nui, dancer number 151, Layla Grace Ramirez. In second place, congratulations to dancer number 260, Tiffany Cruz from Manuia Polynesian Review.
Easy, easy, easy.
And first place, beginner, Tamari 7 through 9. Congratulations to the dancer representing the group, Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands, number 208, Navai Lalau.
congratulations, ladies. We're going to move on now to beginner Tamaroa, age 7 to 9. In third place, from Manuia, Polynesian Review, Giovanni Aurelio. In second place, from Oteapi, Alexander Victor Chuko. In first place, from Notehere, Otehiroa, Christian Hoku Okala Puahi Sapasian. All right. Don't drop the envelope, otherwise that belongs to the MC.
Just the envelope, I get the inside.
You can keep the trophy.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna go on to our advanced Tamahine, age 7 to 9. In third place, from Tahiti Nui, Mia Feli. In second place, from Tahiti Nui, Zoe Joy Aquino. And in first place, from Makamai, Malio, Polynesia, Michaela Ruperto.
Michaela's first. There you go.
All right, we all power. If you can't decide who to give the envelope to, I'll take one. One more time.
Tamure, one more time, guys. Please.
Congratulations, ladies. We're going to go now to our age 7 to 9 advanced Tamaroa. In second place, from Hui Tarava, Takeo Ohiva Atangen. Don't rush. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
There's a lot of French fry grease.
Oh, yeah. Look at the wheelies.
See that? That's how you come in. That's something Froggy would do. Oh, he looks like him. Hold on, don't leave yet. Boy.
Yeah.
He's waiting to see you spend that money. He said, I'm not letting Dad see this one.
Yeah.
In first place, from Makamai, Malia, Polynesia, Xavier Vergara.
about a round of applause one more time for our 7 through 9 events, Tamaroa. Let's now move on to our Tamahine. That's what it's all about. Good sportsmanship. Oh, careful.
Yeah.
Oh, see them wheelies, man.
Again, see, that's something Froggy would do.
Yeah. 10 through 12, beginning Tamahine. In third place, representing the group, Kawailihua Hula Ohana, dancer number 207, Natalie Santella.
You know who was more upset when he almost fell?
Who?
I could see Grandma right there. She was glowing red.
That's why I don't like the wheels on the shoes.
I told him don't buy that.
Yeah. Second place, 10 to 12, beginning Tamahine, representing the group Hiva Katoa, number 17, Amaya Guillermo. And in first place, beginner Tamahine, 10 through 12. Also representing the group, Hiva Katoa, number 6, Alana Marie Valmores. Congratulations to our winners in the 10 through 12, beginning Tamahine. Let's now move on to our beginner, Tamaroa, 10 through 12. Beginning Tamaroa, 10 through 12. Beginning Tamaroa, 10 through 12. Beginning Tamaroa, no, okay. Seeing if you're all paying attention. In second place, representing the group, No Tehere o Te Hiroa, number 64, Ezra Silagan. First place, Tamaroa, beginner, 10 through 12. Representing the group, Te Reva o Te Manu, number 55, Edward Carey the fourth.
Congratulations, guys. We're going to move on to our advance Tamahine, aged 10 to 12. In third place, from Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands, Remy Grego. In second place, from Merahi, Otehani, Kalia, Baltazar, Mora. And in first place, from Tamari, Maitairea, Aubrey Clark. Congratulations. And now we're going to our age 13 to 15.
Wait, they're gonna take a Kodak on.
Picture Mona. This guy. This guy. You gotta let me know so I can get back there too.
Sorry.
We're gonna move on to our 13 to 15 beginning. Tamahine. In third place, from Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands, Michaela Nguyen. Before I announce the winners, this is something important. Everything in the snack bar is half price. I'll take over the rest of the night.
You want a Gatorade? Is there any Kit Kats left?
All right. Anybody got an oxygen? He's gonna need it later. In second place, also from Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands, Annalisa Matafeo. All right, take your time. Take your time. Don't be tripping. There you go. And in first place, from Te Orimana, Moyana Mo. Moyana Mo. Got it right, man. Been this for a while. Man, that was perfect. Roy's back. He took an Uber back from the snack bar.
Sorry. They ran out of garlic peanuts.
Anybody got oxygen?
But they have salt and vinegar chicharron.
Oh, I love that stuff.
I can't do that. I have a high blood.
That's good for the gout, man.
Yeah. Take the next three. I'm out of breath.
All right. So that's how I get you to run, man. It's half price on food, right?
Anytime, anywhere.
All right. All right, so we're going to be at 13 to 15 Advanced Tamahine. In third place, from Lotehere, Otehiroa, Ilana Reyes. In second place, from Urahau Nui, Serenity Botello. And in first place, from Tahiti Nui, Kalia Menabe.
Congratulations to our advanced Tamahine. 13 to 15. Maruru. Oh. Let's now move on to 13 to 15 advanced Tamaroa. In third place, congratulations to the dancer from Huitarava, number 266, Troy Durand. In second place, representing the group, Tahiti, Sian, Ariel, Santos. I remember Xian from last year because his name is spelled Xian. I said Xian, Xian, and then I got Xian. So, and then John said Xian told you. First place, 13 to 15, Advanced Tamaroa from Oteapi, number 212, Nolan Manawis. Nolan, carry Auntie to her chair.
Let me turn around for that one. I don't want to see.
Let's move on to the 16 to 19. The Vahine. Beginning, Vahine 16 to 19 will start off in third place. Congratulations to dancer number 127 from Merahi Otehani, Catherine Goto. In second place, representing the group, Tahiti Nui, number 44, Charlize Aboime. And first place, beginning Vahine, 16 through 19. In first place, representing the group E Hono Ita, number 125, Kamalani Rivera. Moving on now to our beginning Tane, 16 to 19, beginning Tane, 16 through 19. In third place, congratulations to dancer number 51 from Vaipuna, Notehere, Cyrus Martinez. It's coming, he's going around the back way. All right, in second place, 16 to 19, beginning Tane, representing the group Hui Tarava, number 214, Octavio Gutierrez.
What category was that again?
16, 19, beginning Tane.
Okay, I thought I heard something else.
So did I. And in first place, representing the group Hiva Katoa, number 53, Dominic Hill.
All right, moving on to our beginning Vahine, age 16 to 19. Actually, excuse me, advanced Vahine, age 16 to 19. From Tahiti Nui, Gwendolyn Kealani Gordy. It's third place, third place. In second place, from Tahiti, Liana Marie Gorion. In first place, from Tahiti Nui, Keilani Fernandez. There's so much love. All right, beginning, Vahine, age 20 to 24. In third place, from Tamari, Maitairea, Michaela Palma. In second place, from Tahiti, Isabella Arciaga. In first place, from Temau, Ta'ata, Anua, Katie Galindez. Congratulations, ladies. Ladies. Next. Ladies. Beginning Tahe. Is that your favorite category?
Okay.
The advanced Tahe?
Shut yourself.
Okay, wait.
Oh, more. Oh, look. Yes.
Yeah, that's Amazon Prime right here. Amazon Prime. Make sure it doesn't take 2022.
1995? I'm just joking. I'm joking.
It just says for.
All right. We got some trophies here. We're going to make sure it says 2023, not 2022. All right, moving on with our beginning. Tane, age 20 to 24. In second place, from Tereva, Otemanu, Jonathan Fajardo Kiakahi. In first place, from Tereva, Otemanu, Job Salvador Kekoa. Judges, we have a late entry for couples.
Yeah.
They were trying to get into the couples. Late entry for couples right there.
I just want to know what the theme to that was.
Yeah. I don't know what that theme is.
It was like a virtual massage.
It was like, that's me. Don't touch me.
It's like, pretend to rub Vicks Vapor Rub on my chest.
Oh, man.
Let's move on now to our advanced Vahine 20 to 24. Advanced Vahine 20 to 24 in third place, representing the group Hui Tarava, dancer number 109, Jordan Chaban. In second place, Advanced Vahine 20 to 24. Congratulations to dancer number 148 from Tahiti Nui, Lani Kapono. First place, Advanced Vahine 20 to 24. Representing the group, Hiva Katoa, number 100, Janea Ignacio Soy.
All right, thank you, ladies. Okay.
I'll get it. We'll move on now to 20 to 24 Advanced Tane. 20 to 24 Advanced Tane coming in third place. Congratulations, dancer number 230 from Hui Tarava, Roel Moranya. In second place, Advanced Tane, 20 to 24. Congratulations to the dancer representing Oteapi, number 211, Noah Paahana de Jesus. And first place, Advanced Tane 20 to 24, representing the group Hui Tarava, number 110, Justin Salangsang. Congratulations to our Advanced Tane 20 to 24. We're now moving on to our Vahine 25 to 34, beginning Vahine 25 to 34 in third place. Congratulations, dancer number 141, Kimiko Pauli from Tamari Matairea. In second place, 25-34, beginning Vahine, dancer number 181 from Te Aho Nui, Marin Anderson. And in first place, 25-34, beginning Vahine. Congratulations to the dancer from Notihere Otihiroa, number 241, Sierra Miller. Congratulations, 25 to 34. All of our placers in the Wahine category. Next, we're going to do our beginning Tane, 25 to 34. There was only one person in this category, and they decided this with a dance-off. So we congratulate dancer number 312, Hula from Hula Afi, Felipe Casaraf. Sorry?
I thought he was going to go outside. I was going to ask him to get us a snack. He's still 50% off at the snack bar.
Yeah, 50% off.
Yeah. Moving on to our advanced Wahine, age 25 to 34. In third place, from Huitarava, Gabrielle Garcia. In second place, from Varua Tea, Karen Salazar. And in first place, from Te Ahu Nui, Raina Brenner. Congratulations, ladies. Moving on to our advanced Tane, age 25 to 34. In second place, from Tereva Otemanu, Justin Talon. In first place, from Hiva Katoa, Eldon Reyes. Continuing with our beginning, Wahine, age 35 to 44. In third place, from Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands, Heather Lee. In second place, from Te Rahiti Nui, Shabeli Rose Espiritu. In first place, also from Te Rahiti Nui, Regina Ole. Moving on to our beginner, Tane. Age 35 to 44, we have one winner. From Makamai, Malio, Polynesia, Wilfred Brillantes.
Moving on now to our advanced Vahine 35 to 44. Advanced Vahine 35-44. Congratulations in third place. The dancer number 297, Melanie Esguerra. In second place, Advanced Vahine 35 to 44. Congratulations to the dancer from Hui Tarava, dancer number 198, Missy, Austria. And first place in the 35-44 Advanced Vahine. Congratulations to dancer number 265, Trisha Verzosa from Notehere Otehiroa. Maruru, ladies, congratulations. All right, we're moving on to our advanced Tane, 35 to 44. Congratulations in second place, representing the group Otea Api, dancer number 43, Charlie Kurameng. He's behind us. Yeah. And coming in first place, 35 to 44, Advanced Tane. Congratulations, dancer number 113 from Hui Tarava, Justin Froggy Atangan.
I wonder if he has wheels on his shoes. Do you have wheels on your shoes too, man? No wheels on your shoes, Froggy?
He doesn't have a
no
heel.
wheels.
No heels.
All right, we're going to go to our beginning. Vahine, age 45 and up. In third place, from Tereva Otemanu, Ria Villarreal. In second place, from Tahiti Nui, Ruth Marie Sanfilippo. In first place, from Te Ahu Nui, January Galente. Continue now to our advanced Vahine age 45 and up. In third place, from Matahani Dance Studio, Marjorie Enzor. In second place, from Tahiti, Oteara Nui, Rosalie Foster. And in first place, from Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands, Paulina Balbuena. Yes. Continuing with our advanced Tane, age 45 and up. In second place, from Tamau, Ta'ata Anua Anua, Gerald Williams. And in first place, Mr. Strutter himself, number 255, Terry Moore.
The only thing missing from that beat is rock, rock to the planet, rock. Don't stop.
After here, do couples, the groups, and
All right, that's going to do it for all of our soloists. How about a round of applause for all of our soloists, ladies and gentlemen? All right, we're going to reintroduce you to our Maeva pageant winners. The pageant was held on Friday night, and we would like to recognize one more time, our Maeva Iti pageant winner from Manuia Polynesian Review, dancer number 282, Winter Dewitt. She coming, she coming. Hi. And moving on to our Miss Maeva, helping out our judges and our scorers table. How about a round of applause for dancer number 280, Nicole Lavorini from Manuia Polynesian Review. There are also subcategories in our Maeva pageant, including most photogenic in the Maeva contest. Congratulations to most photogenic dancer number 283, Merahi o Tehani Jalen Gukor Fatuga. And the best costume in the Maeva pageant, number 280, Nicole Lavorini from Manuia Polynesian Review.
now, before that, couples, and then go back to groups.
And now the winner for our couples in costume. From Otea Api, Kylie Chuko and Nolan Manawis. right, no more carrying. That was your one shot. Wait, go sit down now. Sit. That's enough.
But you can carry Uncle Roy.
All right, our drumming winner, Lokelani's Rhythm of the Islands. That Fete that Lokelani won was donated by Fatu. Thank you, Fatu, for that.
This is from Manea Ukulele.
This one is donated by Manea Ukulele. The trophy for our advanced Otea winner going to Tamari Maitairea. Who wants to hear Marcus sing?
He wrote a song about it. I'd like to hear it. Here it goes.
All right, hey.
There we go.
Congratulations, Tamari Matairea. Now, our Ahuroa winners. In second place, from Concord, California, Matahani Dance Studio. In first place, from Hayward, California, Merahi Otehani.
Overall now? So announce it. After we announce it.
All right, before we move on to our overall winners, before we actually end and announce our last overall winner, Auntie Becky would like to invite everyone to stick around for just one song, a song called Maoti Te Here, to sing before we all leave. So please, if before we all dismiss ourselves and make our way home, we'd like to sing that song and then we can all go, okay? Okay. Hey, not yet.
Not now.
Get practicing over there.
It's already raining, man.
Oh my God. All right, let's now move to our overall category. In the overall category is our overall soloist, which you saw earlier this morning. We're going to start off with our Tane category, the junior overall Tane. Representing the group, coming to us from Fremont, California, number 321, from Oteapi, Nolan, Manaus. And our junior female overall representing the group, Hiva Katoa, our 2022 overall winner, and continuing her reign as overall dancer number 324, Kaomi Faumuina. She here? Oh, we got it. Okay, share she is. Okay.
Take your time. Easy.
Take your time. Do it right.
Don't be tripping, man. Don't be tripping. There she is. Kaomi Faumuina.
Yes.
Our back-to-back overall champion. All right. You see how far she got? See, you ain't carrying me. Just kidding. Are you ready for the senior overall winners? Our senior Tane overall winner from Huitarava, Justin Froggy Atangan. Now our senior, Vahine. Man, this one, their legs was burning today. This one earned the spot, but like I said, don't matter what the result was, those girls were champions. Everybody here are champions. Our senior, Vahine, overall champion from Hiva Katoa, Jinea Soy. All right, y'all, congratulations to our overall winners. Now everybody come down, join us on stage. We're going to do one last song.
Yeah, if you know Mauti Tehere, which was Uncle Coco's song, come down to the stage. And if you know you can sing it, please sing with me. I'm not a very good ukulele player, but I would like to thank everybody. Thank you so much for coming to our little town of Merced. We appreciate you so much. Yeah. Maururoa, wonderful judges, wonderful MCs, wonderful sound, great house drummers, and great drummers from all over California. Thank you so much, everybody. Maururoa. Okay, come on the floor, you guys. You know the song, right? Come on, you guys, hurry up. Everybody tired. I want to go home. Love you guys.
you for coming to Kiki Raina 2023 on behalf of Auntie Becky Menandic and everyone here at Merced. Please drive home safely, and we will see you again next year at Kiki Raina 2024.